Students, nowadays we are facing this situation. It's rain all around. Recently it has been decreased, but still, ours is the area where we get a regular monsoon. So, our area, you all know, we call it a Konkan region. In Konkan region, there is a good rainfall. Now, if you have noticed, all the traditional houses, all the old houses that we have, they have a peculiar structure. Okay, they have a peculiar structure. So, every region, including rainforest areas, desert areas, then wherever there is snow, every region have their own specific type of houses. They have their own specific structure. Okay, and this is what we are going to learn today. So today we are going to start with a new chapter. Okay, the name of which is houses all around. Students, as I said, our today's topic of discussion, houses all around. This is chapter number 4 from the textbook, and we are going to learn some introductory things about houses, then climate, how climate affects the houses, and also building material. So let us start. In part 1, we are going to start with the introduction, and as I already said, in different region we have different types of houses. For example, in Srinagar, houses have fireplace like this one and a sloping roof. Whereas in Jaisalmer, houses have flat roof like this and thick walls. So there are three main factors which determine the type of house we build. And these factors are the climate of the place, this one, then the material to be used, and third one is budget available. So the houses that we build depends on three factors, which are the climate of that particular area. For example, in Konkan region we have lot of rainfall, so we have some peculiar type of housing, right? Then the material to be used. Now material to be used also depends on the natural resources over there. For example, here we have lot of laterite stones, so we make use of laterite stones, which are red one, you all must have noticed, red porous stones. These are called laterite stones. So these stones are used for building houses in Konkan region, right? Whereas budget also plays an important factor. It depends on economic condition of that particular person. For example, if I am poor, I will try to build the house with minimum resources, and such houses which will require less amount of money. Whereas if my condition, economic condition is good, I will try to build a bigger house and try to decorate it, try to finish it with the proper fashion. So these are the things that affects the houses. Then the climate plays important role. In places where climate is hot, houses have thick walls like this and flat roofs. In Rajasthan or Jaisalmer area, you will find such type of houses. Whereas thick walls keep inside of the house cool. Why thick walls? Because they keep inside of the house cool. Flat roofs can be used by people for sleeping outdoors, because within house when the temperature is very hot, they can sleep on the flat roofs, which is not possible if the roofs have been sloped. And the other part is they don't get rainfall, so they can definitely build a flat roofs. In places where it rains a lot and climate is hot and damp, houses are often built on stilts like this. So these are the houses which are built on stilts. You can see these bamboos, and on those bamboos, this house has been built. Well, these houses built a few feet above the ground on raised platforms, they remain safe from floods. The sloping roof on hills do not allow rainwater or snow to collect and make the houses damp and cold. Most houses in cold areas have fireplaces, like I showed you earlier also, to keep the inside of the house warm. So these were the factors that of the climate. These were the factors of climate that affects the structure of the houses. Have you seen such type of house? These are the houses that you might have noticed in Konkan region also, because ours is a region where certain places are mountainous. Okay, and in mountainous regions, we try to build the houses with minimum resources like bamboos and haze, okay, or palm leaves. Such type of houses we try to build, which should be easy to build and quickly to build. Okay, time also matters. Bricks and stones keep a house cool in hot weather. You all know this. Houses in hilly areas. Now, this was what I was talking about. Houses in hilly areas need to be built easily and quickly. So, this picture over here, I will try to show you again. This picture over here is a house which is built very easily and quickly. And the reason is the region. Many times in mountainous region, people try to build such type of houses. So these were the points. Therefore, houses were built of bamboo and wood. So people make use of bamboo and wood, which is easily available in such areas, so that they can be built easily, quickly, and with a lesser amount of money. In those places which have frequent earthquakes, houses are mostly built of wood. जहाँ पे earthquake होते हैं वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर houses wood से बनाए जाते हैं. There is less damage if they collapse. Okay, क्योंकि earthquake prone areas में अगर घर गिर भी जाए तो भी डैमेज कम होगा. Okay, so that's why houses are built of wood. Mud, bamboo, and palm leaves are used to make kacha houses called as huts. Okay, so these are kacha houses. Can you tell me what are pakka houses? Pakka houses, can you tell me? These are the houses which are built by using concrete, slabs, okay, then bricks. So these are pakka houses, whereas kacha houses are built from mud, bamboo, and palm leaves. Well, these building materials are cheap and easily available. Some other common building materials are concrete, glass, iron, and thatch. This particular material, concrete, glass, iron, and thatch, they are used generally for building pakka houses, whereas kacha houses, as you now already know, that they are built by using bamboo, mud, and palm leaves, wood. So these are the materials used for building kacha houses. Well, students, that was all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Okay, see you next session with another topic. Of course, lesson will be same, but subtopics will be different. So, bye bye.